Good morning, it's the 26th of July 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Euro bank stress tests are released. The dollar continued to struggle in the risk-on environment, with US stocks extending the week's gains to over 4%. The release of the EU bank stress test did not fault the good mood, with most of the action seen in the hours beforehand. The euro was sharply lower in Europe on concerns the bank stress tests were not tough enough. Helping support, though, was the release of strong German July IFO at 106 versus the 101 forecast. When the release of the bank stress test caused little alarm, as 7 out of 91 failed only, and US stocks rallied, the euro was brought back up above 129. Euro dollar traded with a low of 127.94 and a high of 129.67 before closing at 129.09. The sterling had a very strong day on the back of surprisingly strong Q2 GDP figures. Expectations were poor after the Greece debt crisis in May, but the figures of 1.1% versus the forecast 0.6% were well received. Euro sterling dropped below 0.84 and cable broke to near month highs above 154. Overall, the sterling dollar traded with a low of 152.55 and a high of 154.49 before closing the day at 154.20 in the New York session. Gold fell back after failing to hold above the 1,200 level, but found support at under 1,190 to finish in familiar territory. Overall trading with a low of 1,200 and a high of 1,185 before ending the New York session at $1,190 an ounce. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and sterling dollar. The euro dollar pivot point is at 128.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 128.60. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 153.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 153.45. Today's calendar and market movers: we have the US new home sales expected in at 0.31 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive on Friday, with the SP 500 closing up by 0.82% and the Dow closing up by 0.99%. European bourses were mixed, with the FTSE closing down 0.02%, the DAX up by 0.39% and the CAC closed up 0.18%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.72% and the Hang Seng was up 0.21%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.